The ground, yeah, they do for do. I just spent my soulmate in a stolen coupe. The contact I
Welcome back to the channel. My name is Abhijit and you're watching Code Keen. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe. And this is the second video of a Django Celery. And in this video, we will install Celery and we will like add what are the how we can add Celery in your Django. This will be a like integration part of our Celery. Okay, so first of all, I have already created an virtual environment, and I can show this is a virtual environment, and I have activated virtual environment. Then I have installed Django. Then let's create a Django project. Django admin start project, and the project name will be co. So now again go into the project cd core. Again let's create an application like we can create an app like python manage.py start app, like home will be the app. Again we have let's remove rm hyphen rf home. So let's again create an home app. Okay, so now we can see like we have an application home, we have python manage.py. So let's install Celery. Pip install Celery. Okay, again you have to install Redis as a message broker. For installing Redis, you can go to the Redis official documentation, then you can install Redis from here. And maybe in Windows Redis may not work. Okay, so you need to install an application like Memory. It's alternative for Redis. Okay, so you can install Redis. I'm on Ubuntu, so and I have already Redis installed, so I don't need to install, I just work this way. Okay, so we have installed Redis, and we need to install like what, pip install Redis, pip install Redis. Okay, so our everything is now ready. Let's again move to the project. So first of all, in the core application, let's go to the documentation. So now we are in the official documentation of Celery, and we have installed the Celery, we have installed the Redis. Now we have to add in init.py, we have to copy paste the code like this, and we need to create a file named celery.py in the project level. Okay, so in here we need to create a file like celery.py, and we need to paste it over here, and the name of the project we have to add it over here like core. Your name of the project core, my name of the project is core, and we need to add over here. Okay, so now we need to add this in our init.py at the project level. So after this we need to add some settings in our settings.py to make our Redis and everything working. So I have just copy pasted this thing from, you can like this is a broker URL, and we are using Redis, so we have added the Redis URL and the results.backend, and the content will be application JSON, and all this stuff you need to just copy paste this. All the setting is used by the Celery, and now our project is good to go. And for running Celery, let's again create a task. So for creating a task, we need to go in a like this one, we need to import so let's just copy paste, like this is a task, and this task just print hello from Celery. Okay, so then let's run our Celery and see this task gets added in the Celery or not. Let me open one more terminal over here. Okay, so let's activate our virtual environment. Source env bin slash activate. Okay, and cd core, Okay, so we are in a project directory and we need to type. So like for starting salary we have to copy paste this stuff and just copy and let's just paste and again here your proj will be replaced to your project and my project app level like project is like core and let's hit. So you can see like we have one task 3.debug task which we have pasted from here, debug task, and if we have to execute task we can schedule it, we can call inside a view, we can call inside a model, we can do anything. So this is it for the video, like how you can add salary to your Django application, and I hope you have enjoyed the video, and let's meet you in the next video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe.